Hey, what's up? Before buying any projector, you need to answer one question. Where are you going to use it? For a home theater in your living room or bedroom, you can buy a large projector and install it on a tripod or ceiling. A compact projector will be convenient to carry from one room to another. There are also mini projectors that you can put in your bag and take with you on trips, camping, etc. Typically, most mini projectors are also portable. In other words, they have built-in batteries. In this video, we will talk about the new mini portable projector from Goodee with DLP display, 500 ANSI lumens brightness, auto Keystone correction, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. By the way, we have already tested Goodee YG600 moving projector for home theater on our channel, Tech Brothers. Now let's have a look at the new mini projector from this company. So we are testing a mini projector today, and it comes in a very small box. There is a picture of the projector on the box, but you should know that it is actually much smaller than this. By the way, we can see the projector model name on the side of the box, A2. Opening the box, we get a carrying case. I think this is a very useful and even must-have thing for a portable projector, because it makes it very convenient to store and carry both the projector and accessories to it, such as power adapter, tripod, HDMI cable and remote control. There is also a user manual and quick start guide in the case. By the way, a tripod is also very useful for a mini projector. Using it, you can place the projector on any surface at any angle. Back to the size. As I said before, the Goodee A2 projector is smaller than the picture on the box. Its dimensions are 120 by 120 by 28 mm. The weight is only 395 grams. You know, this projector can be called pocket or palm-sized because it fits both with no problem, but I think it's better to carry it in case. The top panel is made of glossy plastic, while the bottom is matte plastic. The sides are metal. To be honest, I am not a fan of glossy plastic because it leaves fingerprints, but it looks very stylish. I'm also surprised by the metal elements. On the front of the projector we can see a small lens because it uses DLP technology, as well as auto Keystone sensor and ventilation grill. On the left side there is a focus adjustment wheel because the projector uses a manual focus, a power button and a speaker. All ports and connectors are on the back, such as 2 USB, HDMI, USB Type-C, headphone and infrared receiver. At the bottom we can see a fan, 4 rubber feet and a tripod mount. Finally, the projector has a touch control panel on the top, so you can use it without a remote control. But I still think that it will be more convenient with it. There are power on-off, mute, navigation, volume up and down, home and return buttons on the remote. So the Goodee A2 is a very compact portable projector with a nice design and good build quality. Now let's turn it on and look at the image quality. You know, this projector has a simple multimedia system with no built-in apps, so you need to connect an external device to the projector via HDMI port, USB port or using Wi-Fi screencast. We will try them all a little later. Now let's look at the settings menu. First we have network and Bluetooth settings. We will also check them out a bit later. Then we can select an input signal. Display settings have picture mode, standard, cinema and vivid. High brightness on and off. Auto Keystone correction. Manual Keystone. Initial angle correction, screen scaling and projection mode. That's it. As you can see, the system of the Goodee A2 projector is quite simple. Now let's see how the Wi-Fi screencast works. There are 3 screencast methods available on this projector, such as DLNA, iOS cast and Android cast. I have an iPhone, so I will use an iOS cast. By the way, you can also use a cable to mirror the screen if you don't have a Wi-Fi network, for example, when camping. However, I will use the wireless screen mirroring. First, you need to connect the projector to the same Wi-Fi network as your smartphone. Now just take your phone, open the screen mirroring and select the projector. That's very fast and easy. By the way, the Goodee A2 projector supports dual-band Wi-Fi. Talking about Bluetooth, the projector supports Bluetooth 5.1 version for connecting external speakers, headphones, etc. You just need to go to the settings menu, select Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth and connect your device. In my case, the earbuds connected without a problem. You know, Bluetooth is very important in this projector because the built-in speaker is quite weak. You can listen to some songs. To be honest, I didn't expect good sound from a mini projector, because it is impossible. This is actually a problem with all portable DLP projectors. It might be enough for a small room, but I would rather use external speakers. As for the fan noise of the Goodee A2 projector, it is about 44 decibels nearby. And 40 decibels at 1 meter. So it is a quiet projector. Before we start talking about the image quality, let's discuss the battery, because it is one of the main features of this projector. The Goodee A2 is equipped with 7000 mAh battery. The manufacturer promises 2.5 hours of battery life on a single charge. It is enough to watch one movie or many videos on YouTube. By the way, the projector has a USB Type-C charging port, so it can probably be charged by a power bank. Let's check it out. As you can see, it is charging. That's great. You can use a projector even longer outdoors. Let's move on to the image quality. As I said before, you need to connect an external device to the projector to watch videos or play games. I connected my laptop through the HDMI port. We can see right away that the Goodee A2 has a pixelated image. This is because it has 720p native resolution. There are many squares when you look very close at the projection, but you cannot see them much from some distance. I have already said that by choosing a compact projector, you sacrifice image quality. I also noticed that the upper left corner is a bit blurry. If you make it sharper with manual focus, the center becomes blurred. I would rather leave the corner blurred. As for the colors, I think they are very good. DLP projectors have much richer colors than LCDs. The Goodee A2 also has a very good brightness of 500 ANSI lumens. In a dark room, the image is very good. As for the room with light, you can still see the projection, but not as well as in the dark. I would recommend you use this projector in a dark environment.
Touched it. Let the professional handle this. Touched it. Let the professional handle this. I'm too gross to go anywhere.
By the way, I forgot to tell you about the projection image size, but it is another feature of the Goodee A2. This is a short throw projector, so it makes a big picture at a short distance. For example, I placed the projector about 3 meters away from the wall and got a screen size of 100 inches. That's very good, because other projectors make the same size image at a distance of about 4 meters. Now you can watch some videos without my commentary, and I will come back with my conclusions.
It's going to be holding a party on election night. And there's going to be money there, like none of you bums ever seen.
Aggression detected. I see your problem. Processing.
The county dominates species on Earth.
As long as this brainy little dude is on our side, we can't lose!
We started a revolution, didn't we?
Oh, what a handsome boat.
Hola.
Smooth, strong, easy on the eye, and that's just the boat. Voila.
Oh, Lucy! Huntington, we're here! Oh, Lucy! Kelsey pulling it down for the first down on a 4th and 2. Then you have a chance to win this game. Well, last week Houston did not. Swung on and I guess missed it, but the bat went flying. Something else went flying. I think it was something off the knob of Tatis. One of the reasons why they probably played those three is because of the legs in there to try and stop the legs of Foden. And Kevin De Bruyne trying to get on that ball.
You're such a coward. Crimson Dawn's taking over, and there's nothing she can do for it.
So we tested the previous Goodee projector, which was a good for home theater, but it was large enough to carry around. The new Goodee A2 is very compact and lightweight, so you can take it with you everywhere. I think it is made to be used in different rooms of your home or even outdoors. In addition, it has very nice carrying bag and a tripod included. The built-in battery and charging from a power bank also make it very convenient to use. However, by choosing portability, you sacrifice image quality. The projector has only 720p native resolution. On the other hand, it has very good contrast and brightness. The picture is really bright, and the colors are saturated. By the way, if you have a small room, this projector will be good, because it has a short throw ratio. Would you choose a compact projector that is easy to carry around, or a big projector with better image quality? Write in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you soon!